When we learned how to subtract integers in class, we actually started by turning each subtraction problem into an addition problem. So in order to do that, we can take any subtraction problem like 3 minus 7, and we can turn it to addition by inserting a plus sign right after the first number, before that negative in the negative 7, or minus 7. So if I was going to rewrite this, I would rewrite this as 3 plus minus 7. Now, it sounds kind of weird to say it that way, so I would read this now as 3 plus a negative 7. We can use what we learned in adding integers with our integer tiles to show positive 3 plus negative 7 and cancel out our 0 pairs. We've got 3 0 pairs, and what we're left with are 4 negatives, so our answer to the problem is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 4. I'm going to change it to an addition problem by putting a plus sign after the first number. Remember, you don't want to replace the minus sign in this problem. We just want to insert an addition sign. So if I rewrite that, I end up with negative 4 plus negative 4, and everything is negative. Negative 4 plus negative 4, there's no 0 pairs. So they're all negatives, and I have a total of 8 of them. So the answer to this problem is negative 8. Sometimes in a subtraction problem, we end up with a double negative in the middle of the problem. For example, here, 7 minus a negative 12. When we have two negative signs or minus signs together with no number in between them, parentheses are okay like this one, there's no number in between them, we can change those two minus signs to a plus. So this problem actually becomes just 7 plus 12. There's no negative now in front of the 12. The two negatives become one positive. And 7 plus 12 is simply 19. 7 minus a negative 12 equals 19. In this final problem, I'm going to change these two negative signs in the middle of the problem to one plus. I can't change the sign in front of this first 2, though, because there's not another negative sign with it. It has to be two signs with no number in between it. So I'm going to rewrite this as negative 2 plus 2. If I have two negatives and two positives, I have two 0 pairs, so they all cancel out, and I end up with nothing left over. So my answer would be 0. Negative 2 minus a negative 2 equals 0.